Hello everyone, my name is Yousef and I am a PhD student at University Putra, Malaysia. It's an honor to present my AMCIS 2020 paper, Conceptualizing a Model for Continuous Use of Cloud Computing in Higher Education Institutions. My talk is divided into 6 parts as you see in this slide. Starting with the research motivation and challenge, cloud computing has emerged as the main standard for service and resource delivery and grown into a mature technology being rapidly adopted by organizations across all industries, including higher education institutions. According to the International Data Corporation, a cloud computing tracking pool, $370 billion will be used in cloud computing by 2022. Resource management optimization is a key concern for higher education institutions. Therefore, cloud computing becomes not only an excellent alternative, but also an essential solution for institutions. With the subscription model of cloud computing services, a new set of challenges have emerged. This research addresses such challenges that cloud service providers and higher education institutions face. Therefore, research on continuance cloud computing continuance have practical and artifact-specific motivations. Current research trends on cloud computing have sought to study the technology's acceptance and adoption. However, little research attention has been given to the continuance use in an organizational setting. As a case in point, we performed a gap analysis using a systematic review approach, which revealed that gap exists in the continuous use of cloud computing in higher education institutions at the level of individual and organization. To fill this gap, we derived our research questions as follows. What constructs influence the organizational level continuance of cloud computing in higher education institutions? With the absence of a strong organizational level continuous theory, this study draws on prior literature in organizational level continuance to establish a conceptual model that extends the expectation confirmation model of IS continuous. We extended and contextualized the ECM model to fit our research setting by the following. First, perceived usefulness construct is replaced by net benefits. Second, constructs from post-adoption organizational level theories were integrated. And finally, the instrument items were upgraded to the education context. The second theory we draw upon is the IS success model, which seeks to provide a comprehensive understanding of IS success. Based on logical reasoning, we have integrated 3 constructs to our research model, which are net benefit, information quality, and system quality. The third theory we draw upon is the discontinuous model, which has been suggested to examine organizational level information system discontinuous. Analogously to continuous forces, we identified system investment, technical integration, and competitive pressure as constructs to predict continuous use of information systems. To keep our research coherent and relevant, we identified additional constructs from the literature as constructs to predict continuous use of cloud computing in educational contexts. Those constructs are collaboration and regulatory support. To structure our model, we took a technological, organizational, and environmental approach by applying the lens of the TOE framework to our research model. This research model contributes to the body of knowledge within IS continuous phenomena. To test this model, a pilot study was conducted to increase the consistency of the measures. We have developed our research instruments in 3 steps: item formulation, skill development, and instrument testing. We use structural equation modeling based on the partial least squares to analyze the collected data from 38 decision makers of universities. As a result, the findings indicate that the research instrument is both reliable and valid, and so points the way towards further research. In the future steps, we shall validate the research model by gathering data from a large sample of ICT decision makers of universities that have used cloud computing services where structured equation modeling will be used. And we hope this research can generate some significant and important implications, not only for cloud computing continuance at higher education institutions, but also for organizational level continuance use of various innovations. This is my presentation. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, comments, and suggestions, feel free to contact me through email. Thank you.